Hey everyone, and welcome back to Rev Lexus, the Lexus channel for you. And today I'm going to be showing you how to install a dash cam into the Lexus LC, my Lexus LC. The guys at FitDVR have supplied me not one but two products. So I have been supplied the F3 dash cam as well as the power adapter. Now this might be more useful for some of you people that might have a dash cam already. This power adapter basically connects to the power source in the auto view rear mirror there, splits it up so you're able to use some of that power for powering things like the dash cam that I've installed, or you're able to maybe use it for other devices like a radar detector or something like that. But in this video I'm going to show you how to install this dash cam setup with the power adapter. I'll leave all the information below as well if you want to click at any point to check it out for yourself. And hopefully you guys found this video useful. I think it's quite a nice little neat system, saves me running cables all throughout the cabin. Yes, I'm filming this one once I've installed it because I thought why not do a Rev Lexus intro now that I've installed it, so at least I can confidently speak about it. And yeah, let's crack on with this video. So we're going to remove this piece here so we can access the power. So if I go ahead and slide that down, that comes out like so. So what you need to do is get a torque screw and undo the little bolt that's in there, or the screw, not the bolt. That slides up and down, and that's the back end of it. And then you can unclip this little piece here. So what I want you to do is be able to connect the mirror with this piece here, which is for the adapter. So that's going to be easy to connect first, just for purposes of on the camera. Clip that in. There's a couple of pins to line up in there. They kind of go, if I do it like that, you can see the back end goes to the kind of indentation inside there. So slide that in, and that clips in. That can slide down a little bit into its housing so it's nice and happy. And now we're going to try and get this connected up, back up to here with the adapter connected now so we can split the power. Now you've got the bit that's hanging from the roof of the car, connect that to the top of the adapter, again mirroring up the lines and indentation of what you have available to you. So this is going to go that way round, and that should slide in. Now I'm trying to do this holding the camera. I could just do this quite quickly. Slide that in like so. So I'm going to use the little torque screw tightener thing to tighten up where the torque screw was, give that back into position. Right, so that's the TX15 that I've used to tighten that back up. And then let me put this plastic trim piece back in here so we can get all that happy as Larry. So slide that in, 3, 2, 1, like maybe the second time lucky. It's because it's two clips at once. There we go. Third time lucky. You're pushing that in so both those clips go in. Have that mirror up like so here. And then I just need to decide exactly where I want the camera to be. Now I do have this power cable here, which is going to connect to the power cable here, which I've got from the adapter. So we're going to line that up nicely with the kind of little lines on it and a little mold for it just to click into place like so. Now that should make life easier now because we've got the adapter, which it does have a sticky stuff, so you could maybe stick it onto the back of the mirror or something so it's not in your way. And if I get the dash cam out, which is handily in this box, a cable for him, which I'm just going to use the one that came with this camera. So specifically for the camera, we've got the USB-A and then the kind of USB-C style on one end. That USB-A end can click into the USB-A on the adapter, and then I'm also able to connect that up to the dash cam, which at the top of the dash cam there's a bit there you're able to clip your dash cam power source into the FitDVR adapter. If I zoom in, you're able to see it says FitDVR 5.01 volts, 0.7 amps on this particular dash cam. I'm going to peel this little bit off here, and then you can see it's going to be sticky stuff's going to be good to go. So I'm going to angle this So it's going to be facing outwards, tilt towards the glass. I kind of want it up here. Keep hitting these buttons underneath. And then once it's in position, you can pivot it to roughly where you want it to be. You've got the camera here, and then you can just rotate it to roughly where you want it to be. The camera's on, so you can see how much of the bonnet you want to see out. And yeah, it's a bit rainy today, but at least that's connected up, and I've connected and hid it as best as I could behind this bit here, you know, behind the mirror. So I've done the best I could and put the adapter behind the mirror. It's got sticky stuff, so it's hiding there. Do have a cable running to it, but I'm sure we'll get used to it once I'm driving. But the main thing is you're getting your dash cam installed using the power source from this auto dimming mirror without having to run cables all around the car. Yes, I had to take this bit of plastic off bit there, but overall a little bit easier than what we've done with the Lexus IS. So I just want to say a special thanks to FitDVR for supplying the power adapter as well as the dash cam for my Lexus LC. If you are curious or want to check it out, I'll leave all the information in the description box below. You can check out their website. These are two separate products, so you can get the power adapter, you know, to connect to like another dash cam, another radar, with detector if you're in States or whatever it may be. This power adapter is quite handy for a couple of things, and it just connects to the power source and splits the power source from the interior rear view mirror there. With this one's obviously got the automatic detection, hence it's got the power going to it. And if you are curious as well, this is the FitDVR Dashcam F3, which I'll leave all that information in the description below. Two separate products. I've used them in tandem today to save me running cables around the car. You can just buy that separately and plug it into like the 12 volt power outlet or conventionally. Same thing for the power adapter, you can buy that separately and use that for another one of your devices because it does come with all those handy cables. But a special thanks to them. I'll leave all the information below, and thanks very much for watching Rev Lexus. Hope you guys found this video useful and informative, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.